PharmChem offers Snyder DEF containers to store and transport DEF. Eliminate the difficulty of handling 55-gallon drums and maximize shop floor space. Each individual tank is designed with a 36-inch by 36-inch footprint, allowing tanks to securely stack onto one another. PharmChem's Snyder DEF container tanks offer a complete portable DEF solution. The closed system unit is manufactured to fill, transport, dispense, and refill DEF easily in the shop or in the field. PharmChem Snyder DEF containers range in size from 60 gallons, 80 gallons, 120 gallons, 180 gallons, and 260 gallons to match your customer's DEF storage and transport needs. The PharmChem DEF-CT-P container features include a blue pallet bottom, flexibility to easily forklift the tank into a mobile truck, a closed system ForChem valve and dip tube providing for a closed DEF system, the ability to uniformly stack tanks in a variety of size combinations, and molded in gallon and liter markers allowing for visual level inspection. Next, you'll need to pump the DEF. PharmChem's pump kits come with everything your customer will need to dispense DEF from their DEF container. Each pump kit comes with a 110 volt or 12 volt SureFlow DEF pump, a stainless steel 4-pin dispense coupler, 20-foot discharge hose, and your choice of stainless steel auto shutoff or poly manual nozzle. The pump comes with an industry-best 5-year warranty. These pump kits fit on the front of the 120-gallon, 180-gallon, or the 260-gallon containers. DEF container pump kits can also be purchased with a DEF container as one part number. These complete systems come in different part numbers with various combinations of DEF container tank sizes and pump kits. Make PharmChem your one-stop shop for all your DEF equipment needs. Let us help you grow your DEF business by helping your customers with their bulk DEF storage and transport needs. Order DEF containers and other equipment on JDDEF.com or by calling PharmChem's John Deere line at 855-453-4333. For more information, you can visit our Dealer Resource Center in the Bulk Expo DEF booth and download additional material.